in the early morning hours. I am at Arsh Gurukul Mahavidyalaya, Mount Abu, which is a hill station in Rajasthan, some 4.5 hours of drive from Ahmedabad airport. So, in the frame you can see the main Swami of Dayanand Saraswati sect, Swami Omanandji, and Swamiji is the chief of this place, of this Arsh Gurukul Mahavidyalaya. He has trained students with the basic foundation of self-discipline, spirituality, yoga, pranayam and meditation. So under his supervision and guidance, there is going to be a demonstration of what the young kids and students do physically, which is quite exemplary and unimaginative. So I will now convert to the local dialect in Hindi to ask Swami Omanand ji some questions. स्वामी ओमानंद जी नमस्कार। ये आदेश करिए और बताइए कि अभी जो आपके ब्रह्मचारी हैं वो क्या क्रिया करने वाले हैं?
अभी ब्रह्मचारी सूरज जो शास्त्रीय द्वितीय वर्ष मतलब कॉलेज द्वितीय वर्ष में अध्ययन करते हैं, वो अपने गले से सरिया मोड़ेंगे। ये सरिया आपके सामने रहेगा। प्राणायाम के द्वारा और इतने वर्षों की तपस्या और ब्रह्मचर्य के द्वारा ये जो है गले के यहाँ पर लगा करके सरिये को मोड़ेंगे।
So Swamiji is saying that a metal rod of some around half an inch of diameter, one side will be placed on a wooden plank like this, or maybe with any kind of solid back, and the other part of this sariya or so called the big thick wire will be placed at the junction of the throat, and then it will be pressed and bent. स्वामी जी ये बताइए कि ये जो आप कर रहे हैं ये जीवन के लिए घातक नहीं हो सकता?
जो व्यक्ति अभ्यास जिसने नहीं किया है, जिसने प्राणायाम का अभ्यास नहीं है, व्यायाम आदि का नहीं किया और अचानक करेगा तो निश्चित रूप से नुकसान होता है। इसलिए कुशल मार्गदर्शक गुरु के मार्गदर्शन में और लंबे अभ्यास के बाद ही इस क्रिया को करना चाहिए।
So now we are going to show a demonstration of the power of yoga and pranayam and the brahmacharya, that is celibacy. I request all those who are watching this video not to try and do it themselves at their home. This is through special training and techniques which is being done. So kindly do not repeat it at your home without training, otherwise you can severely injure yourself. आपका क्या नाम है? ब्रह्मचारी सार्थक आर्य. So now Brahmachari Sarthak Arya is going to demonstrate the power of brahmacharya, yoga, techniques and meditation. शुरू करिए. Start. So this one end is being placed on a wooden plank. You can see I am bringing it closer. So this is just a normal wooden plank where there are holes. In this hole, this wire, or you can say this so thick wire has been put in so that it does not dislocate while being pressed. Now the other end, just a minute. आप इसको हटाइए एक मिनट. Can you remove this? Yes. Can I see your neck? This is normal. Can I press it? Yes. It's just a normal part of the neck. Okay. So he is going to put now a handkerchief there. आप वहाँ पे रुमाल रखेंगे. रखिए. He is going to put a handkerchief there. This just gives a small support. So this is the only small protection. Now you can see when I will say 1, 2 or 3, this brahmachari क्या नाम है इनका?
सूरज
Suraj, Brahmachari Suraj is going to, through the power of healing, yoga, pranayam and meditation, he is going to press it. Now let me try to when I say 1, 2 or 3, then you please do it. I am reversing the angle so that I can have a better spread. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Anyone else? और भी कोई करेगा?
देवेश
So this is not that only boy is trained to do it. So we also have one brahmachari Devesh who was playing the dholak during recitals, and he is also going to perform the same thing. So the one end is secured here, and the other end is this side. Please start. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Now reversing the camera. Devesh, इधर आओ. Can you show me? आप अपना गर्दन दिखाइए. देखिए, see, just a small, like there is no harm which has been done. अपना नाम बोलिए.
ब्रह्मचारी देवेश आर्य।
आपके यहाँ दर्द हो रहा है,
नहीं
पेन हो रहा है,
नहीं,
आपने कैसे किया?
प्राणायाम आदि करने से अभ्यास होता है।
तो क्या करते हैं, आपने सांस रोकी इसको दबाने से पहले,
जी।
शरीर को कठोर किया और फिर आपने उसको दबा दिया, तो इतना बड़ा सरिया मुड़ गया आपसे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सो और कोई दिखाएगा? हो गया?
एक साथ 2 मोड़े
Oh my God! Now the other challenge, unimaginable challenge is, this is the power of yoga, pranayam, brahmacharya and meditation, that not only one, now they are going to do it. And these are not small, these are not thread wires. These are the real iron wires. You can, let me show them closely to you. You can clearly see these are around half inch in thickness, and now there are 2. So you can see one end is placed here, which is a firm. ये देख लीजिए, बराबर ढंग से लगाएं, ये खिसकेगा तो नहीं, because you know that one end needs to be correctly rooted. So one brahmachari has put it properly,